Blue Kids Learning.
Hi kids! Today, we're going to learn about something super fun, our family tree. A family tree is like a big map of your family. It shows your parents, grandparents, brothers, sisters, and even cousins. It's like a puzzle where everyone has their special place. Let's start with you at the bottom of the tree. Can you guess who comes right above you? That's right, your parents. Father and mother. Father. Father. Mother. Mother. Now let's go up one more step. Who do you think is above your parents? Your grandparents. Grandfather. Grandfather. Grandmother. Grandmother. Okay, let's add more branches to our tree. Right next to you on the same branch are your brothers and sisters. They're your siblings. Brother. Brother. Sister. Sister. Now let's stretch out the branches a little more. Do you know who your parents' brothers and sisters are? They're your aunts and uncles. Uncle. Uncle. Aunt. Aunt. And guess what? Your aunts and uncles might have kids too. Those kids are your cousins. Cousins are like extra brothers and sisters. Every branch is important, and together they make your family tree strong and beautiful.